Whether you're building a dedicated coffee corner or just need smarter storage in your kitchen, the right coffee bar furniture makes all the difference. In this video, I'm covering the 5 best coffee bar furniture pieces you can buy right now, starting from number 5 all the way to my number 1 pick. All product links are down in the description. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have this 71-inch Farmhouse pantry cabinet, and at over 55 inches wide with 4 full cabinet sections. This one is built for people who need serious storage in a stylish package. What immediately stands out is how versatile this piece actually is. The adjustable shelves let you configure the interior around whatever you're storing. Tall jars, stacked mugs, folded towels, board games, books. It handles all of it without feeling cluttered. The acrylic doors keep everything visible while giving the front a clean, modern look. The 2 smooth gliding drawers are a daily convenience, great for coffee accessories, utensils, or anything small you want within easy reach. The hardware feels solid and premium, and the drawers close with that satisfying, controlled softness you'd expect from a higher-end piece. One feature that genuinely elevates this above most cabinets in its category, the built-in charging station. Having power directly inside the unit means your coffee maker or other appliances can stay plugged in without cords running across your counter. It's a small detail that makes a real difference in daily use. The white finish is clean, timeless, and pairs effortlessly with virtually any room aesthetic. Assembly is straightforward, and the quality of the finished piece feels impressive for the price. A beautifully functional cabinet that works equally well in a kitchen, living room, or bedroom corner. Moving up to number 4, meet the HOOBRO rolling kitchen cart. And this one earns its spot through pure practical functionality that works in almost any kitchen setup. The first thing you notice is the butcher block countertop. Decently thick, warm in appearance, and genuinely useful as a working surface for prep, serving, or simply displaying your coffee setup. Lock the wheels and it stays completely solid with no movement whatsoever, an important detail for a rolling cart that you'll actually use daily. Storage is surprisingly generous for the footprint. A shallow top drawer handles utensils, towels, or small coffee accessories with ease. On the side, 2 tall, deep open shelves offer plenty of room for larger items, canisters, appliances, or baskets, while the enclosed cabinet below adds 2 more interior shelves for anything you'd prefer to keep hidden and organized. The built-in paper towel holder on the side is one of those small touches that sounds minor but proves genuinely useful every single day in a kitchen environment. It's the kind of detail that shows real thought went into the design beyond just the aesthetics. 4 wheels make it easy to reposition whenever you need to. Roll it out while cooking, tuck it away when not in use. For anyone needing extra counter space and storage in a compact mobile package, the HOOBRO delivers exactly that. At number 3, the HSH 40-inch corner bar cabinet. And this one solves a problem most furniture pieces completely ignore. What do you do with that awkward corner in your kitchen or living room? The answer, it turns out, is this. The corner design fits flush into any 90-degree space, instantly transforming a dead zone into a fully functional bar and coffee station. And the result looks like it was custom-built for the space. Clean lines, a beautiful grayish finish, and a design that adds genuine style rather than just filling a gap. The top surface is generously sized for bottles, a coffee maker, or display items, while the middle section features a removable shelf that opens up enough vertical clearance to fit a mini fridge, making it one of the more flexible storage configurations in this category. On both sides of that center section, built-in bottle holders keep wine or spirits organized and easily accessible. At the bottom on both sides, enclosed cabinet doors provide hidden storage for anything you'd rather keep out of sight: glassware, supplies, or entertaining essentials. The whole structure assembles straightforwardly with clear instructions and well-fitting pieces that go together without frustration. Whether you dress it up as a home bar or a coffee station, the HSH corner cabinet is a stylish, practical, and genuinely impressive piece that upgrades any space it goes into. At number 2, the Gizoon 67-inch tall pantry cabinet. And what sets this one apart from the moment you see it is the finish quality that you simply don't expect at this price point. Unlike cheaper cabinets that use sticker or foil veneer that eventually peels and bubbles, the Gizoon uses a genuine painted coating over FSC-certified wood. The result is a smooth, durable surface that stays beautiful over time and wipes clean easily. It's the kind of quality difference you feel every time you open a door or run your hand across the surface. The layout is exceptionally well thought out for a coffee bar setup. The bottom cabinets are deep enough to fit an air fryer, the open countertop section handles a coffee maker and microwave simultaneously, and 11 divided compartments throughout the upper section keep everything organized without things getting jumbled together. The magnetic doors close securely and quietly, the cutout handles look sleek without requiring additional hardware, and the smooth sliding metal tracks on the drawers feel premium rather than functional. The clean white finish pairs naturally with virtually any kitchen or living space aesthetic. Assembly involves 56 labeled pieces and illustrated step-by-step instructions, manageable solo but faster with the second person. The end result is a tall, beautiful, highly functional cabinet that genuinely earns its place in any home. And here we are, our number one pick, the SNTD 6-tier Baker's Rack, and it's 72 inches tall, 36 inches wide, and loaded with features from top to bottom. This one is in a class of its own. 6 full tiers of storage give you more organized space than almost anything else in this category. The upper shelves handle smaller items, coffee, mugs, spices, decorative pieces, while a dedicated wide countertop section in the middle is perfectly sized for a microwave, espresso machine, or any full-size appliance. The lower shelves handle overflow with generous vertical clearance for taller items. The built-in power strip with 3 outlets in the back is the feature that truly separates this from a standard baker's rack. Your coffee maker, grinder, and any other appliances can stay plugged in and ready to go. No extension cords, no counter clutter, just clean and functional. 14 fully customizable hooks are included, movable along the side and frame to fit exactly where you need them for mugs, utensils, or kitchen tools. A pull-out fruit basket on the lower left adds yet another practical storage option, and the combination of a stable metal frame with wood shelves gives the whole piece a rustic warmth that looks genuinely sharp in a kitchen setting. Everything you need for a complete coffee and kitchen station in one towering, well-organized rack. The SNTD takes the number 1 spot because it offers the most complete, feature-packed setup on this entire list, and it delivers on every single one of those features. And that's our top 5 coffee bar furniture picks. From the elegant Farmhouse pantry cabinet all the way up to the SNTD 6-tier powerhouse with built-in outlets, every single one of these will elevate your coffee setup and bring real organization to your kitchen or living space. All 5 products are linked in the description below. Go check them out and find the perfect piece for your home. If this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home and kitchen content, and drop a comment telling us which one you'd choose. We'll catch you in the next one.